most magical. This little boy is enjoying the amazing sunset by the beach. He keeps walking and really enjoys every step. Little Hands is covering the world one grain at a time. These two keeps making memories together and it's really amazing to watch. Aside from their bonding, who will not enjoy this amazing creation? The waves keeps rolling in and it is so awesome to watch. Every moment captured from every angle. Every little pose is worth a snapshot. Take as many photos as you can to capture simple yet meaningful moments. These are treasures like gold that will last forever. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye-bye.